box, so it wasn't too revealing. I feel like that's too revealing. Like I don't know any of you yet. I'm gonna film a makeup tutorial. Yes! I'm really doing it. This is my first time filming a makeup tutorial, and I'm not like a genius, so this is just what I do, and I think it looks good. I arch my eyebrows. I don't use pencils, I just use gel. I ran out of gel, so I use my Eco Styler. I dip it into my old brush, put the wand in the middle of this, and I just shape it, and it looks good. If you want to do that, that's a hack. Then I'm gonna put concealer on my eyelids. I don't use primer. I honestly don't know what primer does, so I don't buy it. I just put my concealer on my eyelids. That kind of like sets the base. Oh, something got in my eye. I love when that happens. I don't use sponges either. I use my fingers, but it comes out good, I swear. If this doesn't come out good in this video, I'm gonna be questioning my whole life, my entire existence. It's coming along. The bathroom smells so good. It smells like black girl magic in here. Ooh, yes. Ooh. Some guys are missing out. Not on me, on just like beautiful black girls, period. Cause they're like, oh, I don't want to date black girls. I'm like, okay, miss out on this magic. Whatever. I look better with shimmer. I can't really do matte colors, which kind of upsets me because they always look so good on people. But I'm a shimmer girl. Throughout my hair journey right now, I'm at my wrap journey. Like I'm on my wrap. Like I love my wraps. I don't know if any of you guys have been through that phase, but it's a thing. I can tell you what the shimmer color is, by the way. Laura Mercier, Black Karat. You can't even see that. I'll put it in the link thing, description box. This is the only Laura Mercier thing I have. Don't get it twisted, y'all. I'm still on my LA Pro, okay? Or LA Girl Pro. I don't even know the right name. Shout out to my friends who buy me makeup for my birthday. They get me the best stuff. My friend got me this palette. It's from Juvia's Place. It has fun colors like this. So beautiful. What? And I also love the artwork. So pretty. I went in with the color Koru. I'm gonna say it like that because I'm from Ghana too. Koru. 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 How would Americans say it? Kuro. Let me stop. I noticed that I like to watch a lot of documentaries. I'm still gonna start talking about this because why not? If you guys know any good documentaries, please leave a comment. I'm watching the Malcolm X one. I love it. More documentaries like that. Like that. Oh my gosh, it just smells so good. Oh, my conditioner also smells amazing. I have 4C, like, kind of woolly hair. Not really woolly, but like thick woolly, like hard woolly. But it's good. I love my hair. It helps. It's called Curls Unleashed, and this is the shade Butter and Mango one. You can get it at Sally's Beauty Supply. Time for the lashes. I'm so nervous because I just started my lashes, so I'm not like 100% like boom. I'm like always bending at different angles. The Kiss Classic. Yeah, it's called Classic. Literally. For people who are wondering, I'm not gonna be laying my edges. I'm really digging this look. I feel like a whole queen. I don't know, it's something about the 4C hair. I'm not camera ready to be filming this part because this is just straight up embarrassing. Let me go to my room. I have a taller mirror and I can just like, because I can't just boop, boop, boop. one sec. Okay. I say it like that because that was a trip. Once I start baking, or my version of baking, it would look put together. I was gonna go ahead and put my brow bone highlighter. Oh my gosh, I got this a while ago. I think I got this when I was like beginning of high school. Yeah, this has been a hot minute. Now I'm a junior in college. It's the Urban Decay Naked Illuminated. What is wrong with me? Yeah, I've used it for a minute, but this is some good stuff. It lasts you a while, and it's a good highlighter for this shade. It's hard to find the shade online, so therefore I'm making these makeup videos. So any girl who's like, oh my gosh, I can't find my shade, we can have some makeup in common. Put some gold, just pat on the brow bone. But I like to go like sometimes all the way because I'm extra and I'm West African. We're extra. Yeah, she did that. I feel like I'm going to a wedding. I have not bought makeup in a minute. Like, I haven't gone makeup shopping in a minute. I'm excited for the next time because when I do my makeup shopping, it's like I've been doing research and I just haul. Well, I save up and haul because we're not there yet in life. Now we're gonna bake. I did not buy this expensive piece of makeup. My beautiful mother gave it to me. It is Burberry foundation, number 140, dark warm. This is so pretty. It's a pretty bottle. Once again, I use my fingers, but it looks bomb, so. I love that color. Maybe it blends so well because I didn't put enough. It's just so good. This is a good color. Thank you, Mom. I put a little too much on this side. Let me share. Let's have some equality on that side. Oh, I love. These are the best tools. I said it. Let me stop because I can't do my whole face without any brushes. That's ridiculous. Ooh. I'm not even done yet. I'm not even done. Let me stop. Now I'm gonna use my powder, and it's Wet n Wild. You can get it at CVS. I love this. It's called Deep Profond. That means deep in French. I speak French. This is definitely not deep, but you know, this is the color I needed. I didn't need it like a real deep, but it should not be called deep because it's not deep. Some people need that deep for their skin because we get deeper and deeper, and it's amazing. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna tap just a little bit because this stuff gets strong and like I don't need that. I'm baking a cake. Just kidding. I'm just baking a snack. Take the camera away. Take the camera away. Honestly, I'm almost done. I grab a little brush, a big brush actually. I'm pretty sure it was like a face blush, or I don't know. I just grabbed whatever I thought would work for my face. And this is pretty and I feel like a princess. I do have to come out looking good now. I do. I'm just gonna go ahead and away. I think I blended it out properly. Okay, try to put a little bit. I just don't know how far I should bring it down. Like, I think that's enough. Don't overdo it. No, don't overdo it. I think that's good. I just always feel weird about, like, I feel like there's a line here. But I don't know. We'll just appreciate and move on. I'm gonna grab my little concealer, what is this, hot cocoa. I'm just gonna hit it around. Oh, I should grab Mahogany. I have Mahogany. It was really dark. Oh, I should have done that. Huh? Let's restart. It's not bad. Let's restart. Okay, I have another one, Mahogany. I have this really dark color. This is throwback to the days when I tried to contour. It just didn't work out for me. Okay, yeah, here we go. It's the magic, that black girl magic. What color is this? Brilliant. It's Minx Gloss Brilliant. I'll just put a link. This video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had fun. Maybe some of you guys were doing makeup to it. I don't know. It's always fun to have somebody do makeup with you.